Check for advanced restart button. It's available here. I'm directly booting into recovery using that. If you don't have that, you can use traditional method to boot into recovery by pressing volume up button and power button. Use the latest recovery as shown in this video. The link for the recovery and firmwares are given in the YouTube community section in my channel itself. You can switch in my channel and go to community section. As you can see, this is the latest TWRP recovery I am using for Poco X/NFC. Go to wipe section first and select advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache and data and swipe here to wipe it. Once that has been done, go to home section here and select install and select the micro SD card wherever you download the ROM zip files. First flash the firmware 12.5.5.0, 5.7.0 not recommended. People facing problems use this firmware only. Go to home section again and select install and select the ROM zip file. In this video I am showing you the AbhiX edition, AbhiX Rog edition. You can see this is the latest build available for Poco X. It takes a little bit of time to flash the ROM. Wait until it gets flashed. As you can see here, the ROM zip file has been flashed successfully. Go to home section again and select wipe and select format data and type here YES and press this tick button. Done. Again go to home section and select reboot and select the system. First time boot takes some more time, like 10 to 15 minutes or even more, depends. Wait for that and use the same firmware and same ROM zip file and format data method. Use the same, you will never face any problem. Main thing is use the same recovery TWRP as shown in the video. In this video I am going to explain everything in detail regarding this AbhiX Rog edition based on Android 12 with Miui 13 for Poco X. Stay tuned till the end of the video and let's begin this video. Hey, welcome back again to new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath's AbhiX YouTube channel and this is the Poco X3 custom ROM reviews AbhiX Rog version 13.0.1 edition. This is, you can say this is the Poco X. I have Indian variant Snapdragon 732G. You can see some of the specs. Just the rear camera is given 8 megapixel here. Few people complain about this. This is just numbers here written. That's not real. It just for sake it's given. For that also people start complaining. I don't know. That's how it is. And into the all specs you can see here Android version 12. This is a Miui 13 version based on Android 12. You can see here. This is the first ROM I am saying, such a interesting ROM. This is AbhiX Rog version with Android 12 and Miui 13 and it's very smooth. Let's see. I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 13 minutes and 1 second. You can see here the maximum score is 145 and average is 140 and minimum is 122 million JPS and it's throttled to 94% of its max performance. That's how it is. There is a little bit of throttling going on but it's fine enough and the UI is very smooth. You can see here. You can customize few of them. Let's move into that first. Let me keep hold here. Okay, go into settings, into settings, more. You can see here you can adjust -1 screen here. I kept to app vault. If you want you can keep to Google Discover also. Search bar provider is not at just one single search bar and with app drawer, without app drawer you can choose here and then manage app categories are there. Backgrounds you can adjust light, dark and auto and transparency. Scrolling mode is given. Place new apps on the home screen. I will disable that. That's how it is. And force light blur on search bar, that's given. Hide app icons, those things are given. Animation speed here you can see here it was by default relaxed and there is option of balanced and fast. I kept fast. And animation duration lower to faster. Let me increase it to 5. Let's see. Lower is equal to faster. Let's see. And folder bounce effect is there. D2 to S enable double tap to lock screen is there. Folder blur, complete blur, search bar blur. Folder columns you can adjust from here from 3 to up to 10. Like let me see. As you can see it's up to 5 is there. And hide widgets name, online signature it's turned off. If you want you can keep it out. And system navigation it's visible the pill. If you want, you can disable that also. Gesture confirmation is there. Buttons also you can keep traditional one, that's fine. Global icon animations, home screen layout, icon shadows is given, show memory status is given, arrange items and recents, and blur app previews, reboot launcher and show suggestions. And this is the credits. The plenty of customization in home launcher itself, the Miui launcher, with lot more customization. Just if they added in this home screen search bar provider, if they added few more, that would be more than enough. This is very good launcher. You can see here now it's very smooth. The ROM is based on Android 12 and Miui 13.0.1. This is the settings panel. You can see here AbhiX ROG edition Miui version. Let's move into settings one by one. First, let's see with wallpapers and personalization. Let me agree this again. Library, you get super wallpapers pre-installed and plenty of wallpapers also given here. ROG wallpapers and these Miui 13 wallpapers plenty are given. Ringtones, notification, alarms, default tones, icons are also given in this ROM. Always on display and lock screen, here this is also present. I don't recommend to use that. If you want to just show off, you can do it out, but if you enable it for all the time, your battery going to be drain it, because we have LCD display in Poco X3 or NFC, whatever it is. This ROM is applicable for both the ROMs. Just follow same method as I shown at the beginning of the videos. Let me keep this, apply, and let me turn off. Let's see how it will enable the always on display. And there are few customization you can see in the always on display. For 10 seconds after tapping is there, always is there, scheduled is there. I'll keep it always for time being, and I will show you how it shows. Now I tried out multiple times, the always on display is not working in this ROM. Let me go into settings here and I will show you the always on display enabled and kept for always also, but still it's not showing. Let me show you. It should wake, but it's not happening here. That's the bug I have noticed. If you have any solution for that, you can comment down in the comment section, guys. For me it's not showing. And let's move into further settings. Into display you get light mode, dark mode. Switching between them is also very quick enough. You can see here, and there are few options here, more dark options, and individually you can choose the option to force to dark mode. Those options are also given here. The dark mode is implemented very well. It's in pitch black condition. Reading mode you can see here, and refresh rate you can keep to 60, 90 and 120. For timing I kept to 120 Hz. If you want you can keep to 90 Hz also, but recommend to keep to 120. That will be better actually. If you want very good battery life, you can lower down your refresh rate. This is the display settings. Coming into sound settings, you get all the basic sound settings here. Vibrate and haptic feedback you can enable from here. Profile video for incoming calls is also given. Additional settings you get here, plenty of customization you can enable or disable. And sound effects preset you can keep here. That's present in X3 in Miui stock ROMs also. That's how it is. This is the sound settings. And notification control center, you get notification effect here. Whenever you get a notification, you can keep this. I recommend to disable this also for very good battery life. Notification shade is given. Android and Miui you can show here, and show weather information you can enable or disable, and expand top notification also you can enable or disable from here. Smart home, if you have like Google Home or Xiaomi Home application, then you can enable that. You get downside, as you can see, your home devices connected like that, you will get a card in the notification control center. And status bar options, again here plenty of customization. Battery indicator you can keep here. That's how it is. You can hide notch in individual app. Whichever app is not playing in full screen, go to, for example, Battery Loans Mobile India, and select always show notch, then it will be played in full screen. That's not the problem. Basic things are fine enough. Launcher I already explained about home screen and launcher. Passwords and security, you get fingerprint unlock, screen lock and face unlock also, and Bluetooth unlock is also there. Privacy protection password and manage password, and SOS system and privacy and emergency alerts are given in this ROM. Let me show you with face unlock first. You can see here it's very quick to unlock your smartphone using that face unlock. It's very quick. Again, I'll show with fingerprint unlock also. You can see here it's very quick. In Miui ROMs, this is going to be very good actually. The fingerprint unlock and face unlock going to be very quick enough to unlock your smartphone. And battery, you get new Miui 13 style. You go to performance mode or balance and save battery mode in order to save your battery. And whenever you want to play games, then enable performance mode. Ultra battery saver is also given. Here the automatic brightness has been enabled. Let me disable. These are the new battery settings you get. Screen on time also you can check out. I charged using 33-watt charging. That is also supported. You can see here how quickly it charged from 25 to 51%. You can see here. That's how it is. The charging speeds are also fine enough, but device was getting a little bit warmer. That's quite normal for high capacity chargings. And apps you get here, system apps, manage apps and dual apps permissions, and app locker is also pre-installed in this particular ROM. No need to worry regarding that. Screen time, which is nothing but this digital well-being. And special features, you get sidebar. If you want, you can enable it for always show. You will get every app. For example, games, it has enabled like that. You need to choose. And second space is also working fine. Floating windows is also working fine. Miui lab and light mode is also working fine. No problem regarding that. And privacy, location settings, you can say everything is working fine. No problem regarding that. If I forget anything, you can comment down in the comment section. I will answer them. And caching is also working fine in this particular ROM. Hotspot, VPN, everything, private DNS, everything is fine. Me share, cache printing, everything is fine in this Miui Abhi-X Rog edition ROM for Poco X3. Now for coming into apps, safety net status. And one more thing, by default you get this ROM as rooted, hence it is showing failed. You need to pass safety net status. Then you need to disable in AbhiX model. As you can see, the AbhiX. Let me try to hide this one. Hide and go to settings. Hide AbhiX app. Okay. It takes a little bit of time. Now go into safety net status. Again run the test. It might get passed. Okay. Payload validation failed. You need to hide that, or you can pass the file using the safety net fix, then it will get passed. No need to worry regarding that. You can use all the payment application like Google Pay, Phone Pay. Once you make it passed, then you can use those things. That's not the problem. And coming to benchmark results here, Geekbench scores. I will start with Geekbench scores here. Single score is 543 and multi score is 1533, and the kernel user is Linux 4.14.281 Ceylon T. Prince Eugen kernel has been used. Very good kernel and very good scores. You can see in the Antutu benchmark also. Change start something, it's showing like this. Okay, you can see here 3,62,927, which is very good score, and temperature raise was just 1.7 degrees Celsius and battery drain was 3% during this testing. It's fine enough, and device may be routed. It's showing that because of we have pre-installed AbhiX in this particular ROM. Currently it's hidden. You can see here into settings, then you can go here and settings again. Restore the AbhiX app. Might get reboot also sometime. Now you can access the AbhiX app and everything is fine enough. That's how it is. And into WhatsApp is working fine, no problem like that. All the basic apps are working fine here in this particular ROM. That's not the problem here. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below guys, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this is the new control center Miui 13 style, and you get proper vertical lines of brightness and music here. You can see here.
Team match, let's go.
Blue team has scored for the first time!
Reloading! Enemy down! Kill!
The blue team is unstoppable! Killing spree for the blue team! Team! Killing spree for the blue team! The blue team is in the lead.
Cover me! Contact with enemy! Reloading! Contact with enemy! Reloading! Enemy contact! Hitting mag! Tango down! Reloading! Reloading! Boom! Headshot! Enemy contact!
Recon standing by. Recon standing by. Taking the lead. UAV online.
Need backup! Reloading! Hitting mag! Reloading! Reloading! Cover me! Contact with enemy! Tango down! Need backup! Target down!
UAV online.
Enemy! Enemy contact!
Keep on them. We're winning this one.
Reloading! Need backup! Enemy contact! Target down! Contact with enemy! Tango down! Backup! Contact with enemy! Target's in sight! Enemy contact! Reloading! Need backup! Tango down! I'm hurt! Contact with enemy!
Predator missile awaiting orders.
Into the dialer, you get this kind of dialer settings here. You can see here direct video call is also available in this particular ROM. Call recording is also available. That's how it is. It's working fine, no problem in the dialer, and carrier aggregation support is fine, and Wi-Fi speeds, let me show you. I have 100 Mbps Geo Giga Fiber connection, and mobile data connection is also fine enough. It depends upon your location. It's showing more than 100 Mbps. It's quite fine. As you can see, it's exactly 100 Mbps. I haven't seen this kind of scores. In majority of that, it will be around 97 like that, but now it's showing 100 Mbps, which is cool thing. Fine enough. Magic's model, everything I explained, and gallery also I explained. I think you get these kind of options here. Details, start slideshow, productive watermark is given. You can add that. That's also fine enough. And some of the gallery application, like if you want to install some advanced gallery like Miui gallery, updated one, you can do that. It's already latest one, but if still you want to do, you can do that. Using Magic's models, you can even enhance that. And let me show you Battlegrounds mobile and app, Call of Duty with screen recording turned on, how it handle, and everything will be recorded with this screen recording. Let me show you. Here it is. As you can see, these are the options you get, and in the edit section you get plenty of options also. If you want to enable, you can enable or disable from here. This is the quick settings panel. It's very quick. Just you need to swipe here to go to notification, and again swipe here to go to this settings. It's fine. Proper Miui 13 implementation with Android 12. Android 12 widgets are missing, but this is the app vault you get here. As you can see, it's smooth enough. That's how it is. And coming to verdict of this ROM, as you've seen, this will be the replacement for Miui Mint Edition, what I was always speaking about that in my channel. That might be happened. And coming to camera application, I have installed here Arno Build Gcam. It's also working fine, and the Miui camera is obviously working fine. As you can see, get all the options, vlog mode, everything is given. Let me go here. That's fine. You get both the camera applications working here, and DRM information. You get level 1 certification. You can watch all the OTT application in HD resolution. That's not the problem here. I hope explained everything. Coming to verdict, it's very simple. If you want to replace that Miui Mint version, then you can go with this AbhiX ROG edition. The gaming is also very good. The benchmark results also very good. Battery life is also very good. Just while charging with 33-watt charger, you get a little bit warm. That you need to keep in mind. And that's all guys in this video. Hope I explained everything, and thank you for watching this video. We'll meet with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.